class? How many of you have completed yesterday's documents? Like at least you have seen some of the documents, what you have to do, how you have to go over that. Yes. Great, great, great. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. That really means a lot. Okay. Thanks a lot. Class. How many of you have come? Okay, great. So let me just take 1 second of your time. Okay. I'm just I'll be just on off on video. Just 1 second, guys. We will start the hands-on soon. Just wait for some time. I hope you have written the notes also, right? Okay, okay. So those who have not joined yesterday's class, no worries. Okay. So just 1 second. I am just doing few things for you guys. Okay. And then we will start the class. Okay, done. Okay, shall we start the hands-on today, guys? Good. I hope all are doing good. Okay, I'll just adjust few things from my end. Okay, so how was yesterday's class? Did you guys enjoy it? Did you guys completed like completely understood like from the scratch we started, we went on to the top layers of understanding Linux. And today I will show you disk management, configuration management, Linux management, user management, sudo root user management, and what not. Today we will see all the different kinds of concepts that are related to your Linux. Very, very much important. So without wasting much time, I will just set the agenda for today's class, and then so that you can understand here what we are doing today. That will be very helpful for you to understand. Okay, so let me set the agenda for today's class. I'll share my screen quickly. Time is now 6:11. We are good to start. Okay, and let me take out my notes. Okay, so yesterday we have seen so many things. You would have already gone through the documents which have been attached. So today is day 2 of learning Linux, and those who are not able to join this live session, right? Because of traffic or something, I have also streamed as per all of your request on YouTube also, so that if you have time, you can just check that also, right? Great. Today's test session is very, very much important, guys. And we are going to complete hands-on on Linux. Okay. So completely whatever we have not covered yesterday, we will be covering today on hands-on. So let me write down what are the topics that we are going to cover. If anyone is interested, you can write down your topics. So we will see today disk management of Linux. We will create a disk for you, and I'll show you how the disk management is done. We will show you the file management in Linux along with hands-on. We will see user management in Linux. When I talk about user management, we will say how to deny a user, how to allow a user, what are the security policies that the user can have in the system, and all those things. Also, we will see about some of the Linux commands, AWK, SCD, right? Your grep, as well as we will see some regex patterns, which will help you to read a file. We will also see today the curl commands and wget commands, how these commands have shaped the Linux world completely different, right? So we will see that also today. Okay, so I am expecting you all are writing down notes, right? Okay, so you all are writing down notes, right? So for point number 1, disk management, file management, user management, commands. Then point number 6, you will have basically, we will see some network related things like we have done yesterday. We will also see network related concepts. Okay. And 7, we will also see some things with respect to your package management in Linux, right? Which is very, very much important for you to clear interview. And finally, we will see some hands-on on tools. Okay. So this is how we will start today's class, and we will see how the things are going. Are you all excited? Yes. Shall we start the class? Good. Good. Great, 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 great. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. So today is Sunday. I'm very much thankful to everyone, those who have joined today's class, right? And those who are watching me on YouTube. Thanks a lot for watching. And you guys can actually like the video. That's very much important, right? So let's start the class. Okay. So let me start the class, and I'll just close this once. I'll quit it. Okay, just 1 second, guys. Yes. Okay, so let's start today's class. So all of you see here. First, I will start with very basic commands. That is, all of you, please write it down, the curl and the wget, because we are going to use this specifically in our hands-on concepts, which we are going to do. And now, very much important, why every DevOps engineer needs to know about these two commands. Let me tell you first. In every automation, right? In every automation, these two commands are very much useful. So please write down the number 1 scenario or the use cases automations, guys. Okay. So whenever you are doing any DevOps automations, these two commands are very, very much important. Point number 2, the curl will be very much helpful when you have the request, right? When you want to hit the URL, get the data. Suppose all of you see here, I have a website called www.heydevops.in, right? I will show you the hands-on also, not need to worry, but write down the concepts. Whenever you want to get some data from the website, okay, let's say I am using curl, hit the URL, get the data. Okay, curl, hit the URL, get the data. So basically, get the data, delete the data, put the data, post the data. This curl command is very much useful. Okay, but in case of you can say wget is a little bit less powerful than compared to curl. Okay, so wget mostly we will not use when you talk about like request types, but mostly we will just use to get the data. Now, if you are able to see which is more powerful, till now, if you have seen the difference, both are used for automation. The curl is used to hit the URL, get the data. Correct? So can you tell me like which is more powerful? Till now you have seen curl, correct? So curl, you can get the data, you can delete the data, you can put the data, you can post the data. So what are these things? So guys, in the world of automation, whenever you are hitting a website, not only this, any website, if you are hitting, let's say google.com, right? Any data that is coming to you is coming only from these methods. Okay, these are called, please write down methods, okay, of request. Okay, you are putting some request to the website. The website is giving you the response. Now, all of you see here, I'll give you an example. You have a Flipkart application, correct? In the Flipkart application, all of you see here, I'll just give you a small demo with Walmart.com. Just focus on the screen. This is the Walmart.com, right? And I'm going to do some item purchase. Please see here. Okay. So I'll go into the fashion. Okay. Please see carefully how everything gets changed. I'm going to into the fashion. And when I'm going into the fashion, if you are able to see, the URL is changing to clothing. Okay, please see the URL also, www.walmart.com, then CP, and then clothing. Okay, and then I went into men's, right? And I selected something like hoodies and sweatshirts. Okay, and now if you are able to see under clothing, the men's hoodies, sweatshirts, the URL again got changed. Okay, so now what I will consider is, let's say like I like this jacket. Okay, and I'm going to put this. I will select the size of the jacket. Okay, and I say add to cart. Please see here what will happen when I'm clicking on particular product. Okay, the entire URL is changing to that particular product and the ID of that product. Okay, now it's very much important when I'm doing the add to cart. From here, you see what will happen when I'm doing the add to cart. It's again a request that is being sent to the backend systems. Okay, so you see carefully when I'm doing the add to cart. Okay, one item added to cart, and if you are able to see, right, there is some data. Now, if I click on this, the entire URL gets changed again, and you will get the data from the cart. Okay, so see here, when I'm clicking this, guys, are you seeing? This request is get request from the database. Are you able to understand, guys? Get the data. Have you understood? Get the data. Yes, this is you went into the cart, you got the data. This is get request. So now if you are able to see the same sweatshirt or the hoodie is here. Now let's do this. Let's do delete request. How many of you say that if I do the delete request, let's say I'm deleting from my cart. Can you tell me, does the URL change? Any idea? Any idea? Any idea? How many of you say that? Okay, some of you are asking the YouTube URL. I'm happy to share in the chat also. If you are not able to, if any of your friends are not able to join this because of the slots full, you can share this link with your friends also. Okay, tell me, URL will change if I put the delete request. How many of you have tell? No? How many of you say yes? How many of you say no? See, these are basic DevOps engineer things, and no one will teach you all these things. Okay, this URL redirection or the website understanding, Java code understanding, very, very much important. So let's see. Shall I do? Shall I do that? Okay. Shall I delete this? Okay. I am giving a delete request here. Shall I do that? Yes. Let's see. All of your eyes on the screen. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Did the URL changed? No. Okay. I have just focused on the same URL, the delete request. Correct? So let's say I want to sign in into my account. Okay. I want to sign in into my account. Now tell me what kind of request. Yes, Harshita, you can drop off and join back because the screen is presented. Okay. I think you are the one who's not able to see the screen. Now, all of you see here, when I'm logging, what kind of data, when I'm putting my data, the data is going to the backend. What kind of request is that? Any idea? When we are sending some data to the website, post or put, tell me. Put or post. You understood about delete? You understood both the things. Now you tell me whether I'm entering some data and I'm continuing, it is sending the data to the database. Post, post or put. Don't get confused. Post or put. Guys on YouTube, please tell me, is it post or put? Post or put? Put or post? Okay. So all of you see here, basically. Okay. Those who are telling, I'm getting mixed response. You are telling post and some of you are telling put. Okay. So what you do, you identify today. If you know, that's fine. So your task is you identify whether sending data in the website is put or post. Will you be able to do that? No, not both, only one. Okay, only one. Okay. Just find out when I am sending the data to the website, is it put or is it post? Will you all do? Just search. Okay, no issues. Just search. Uh, you should be able to clearly understand. Okay. Now, all of you understood about these four methods? Yes or no? I hope I have made it very clear. And in the interview also, you need to explain like this. What is put, get, post, delete, right? And freshers, especially if you tell with the Walmart.com or Flipkart.com example, they will be very, very much happy. The interviewer will be very, very much happy. Okay. Now, all of you see here, there is something called HTTPS and HTTP. How many of you know about this? Okay. No, Rama, it's not from my end. Okay, so it's from your end. Okay. What is HTTPS, guys? All of you see here, whenever I am logging into the website, let's say like www.heydevops.in, if you see this website URL, this website URL is secured. Okay. So basically, the curl is used with secured website. Okay. And the port number for the secured website is 443. Very important. Okay. It is not secured. It is port number 80. So wget is used with HTTP sometimes. And for HTTPS, you use curl. Now, till now, which is more powerful, guys? Till now, which is more powerful? Curl? Okay, beautiful. Now you tell me every URL has a username and password. Every secured URL has username and password. Do you agree with me? Yes. So curl is always used when a URL is having a username and password. Clear? So at any given point of time, the curl is always the king in terms of automation with respect to any URLs. Are you clear? Did I made everyone idea clear about curl in a very simple 4 to 5 differences? Clear, boss? Kush? Right. Beautiful. We will do hands-on also. I will show you. 443 means port number. Okay. Port number. Every URL has a port. Yes. Host machine port, Suresh. Okay. Right. Everyone clear? What is curl? What is get? And I will do the hands-on also. I'll show you. Now, there are a few commands in automation in Linux. Okay. Commands of automation. Very much important in Linux. Every time, whenever you do automations, there are two commands basically we will use, SED and AWK. Have you heard about this, guys? Port numbers are fixed. Okay, no worries. Has anyone thought of what is SED, what is AWK, what is the difference? Any idea? No? No? Okay, we will do hands-on on this also, but let me first tell you what is the basic difference on these two parameters. All of your eyes on the screen. So basically, SED is called stream editor. Okay, and AWK is called AWK only. There is a big name. So AWK is used for extract and filter the data. It is basically used to edit. So let's say like I want to edit a file. I want to edit a value. I want to edit and override something. You can use stream editor in Linux. For example, I have a file of data. Yes, if you want to replace something, anything can be done with stream editor, guys. Very, very simple. Okay. So let's say I have a file, right? In automation, most of the things are logs for DevOps engineer. Everywhere you need to play with logs of server, logs of system, logs of monitoring, logs of errors. We will do that hands-on today. I will give you a log and I will ask you to I will ask you to do the hands-on on that logs. These hands-on. Okay. Okay, all of you see here, in most of the DevOps automation cases, you will have a file, okay? And in that file, you need to override that file some value. So let's say I have an error log in the file, okay? I have a error. And guys, those who are leaving this class in between, for your information, let me tell you, you will not have documents and anything attached to your website. Okay. You need to stay in the class till 8 p.m. To fill out your attendance and beyond that. Okay. If we attend all these classes, definitely we can cover all DevOps course. See, whatever the topics are there, I will definitely help. Okay. So you don't need to worry. Yes, Bhanu, what's your doubt? What's your doubt, Bhanu? Any doubts you have? To do hands-on, I'm going to do the hands-on for you guys. Don't worry. I'm going to do all the installations, all the things. You don't need to worry. Just sit and watch the class. And later you can do the hands-on. Okay, clear? Okay. Okay, fine. All of you see here. All of you see here, please watch the class, guys. Please watch the guys. Okay, all of you see here, what are logs? Some of you are asking, Naga, I saw your message. Don't spam with the things, okay? Please see here. All of you see it. Okay, all of you see here, what are logs? Guys, being a Linux admin, very important. You need to know what are logs. So any server, okay, any server, any website, or anything that you see in today's time, all are having logs. Logs are nothing but the output of an application. Okay. The output of an application. Let's see, in the Walmart.com, I did all the things, right? Everything is logged in the backend. Okay. You understood, right? Whatever I am doing, right? I'm coming here, I'm doing something, I'm going into some website, I'm seeing some things. Everything is noted down in the backend. So someone from the application is noting down everything, what this user is doing, what's his IP address, from where he's logging into the website, what he is doing, everything. Log means it's an activity tracker or history. Yes. So you can note down simply like an history of activity. Clear? Log means simply it's an history of activity. Okay. I hope I am making it sense. Now, please see here. So the SED can be very full to what we do usually is, in Linux terminology, most of the time we play with logs only. Okay. So error logs, fault logs, debug logs. Okay. These are our types of logs. Okay. Very important. Yes, Madan, I told you, you have to search for that. What is the difference between put and post? Okay. Now, SED, any file you have, please see here, all of you, any file you have, in that file, suppose you want to read a line. Okay. You want to read a line. You want to manipulate a line. You want to update a line. All of the things will be easily done with the stream editor. Is it clear, guys? Everyone? Yes. All of the things will be very easily done with the stream editor. Whereas if you understand what is AWK, it is kind of a, you can see here, extract and filter. So let's say like you want to extract a data and filter a data from value. Okay. It can be easily done. People on YouTube, are you able to understand? Yes. Clear, everyone? Yes. SED is used to play with the files, and AWK is used to play with mostly variables. Clear, everyone? Yes. SED is used to play with files, logs, and everything. AWK is mostly used to extract and filter variables from a value, kind of that. I will show you hands-on also, so no need to worry. Okay, good. Have you understood about these two things? Right. Shall we move to the third concept, guys? Yes. People on YouTube, if this video is not going now 100 likes, okay, I'll be feeling bad. So please make 100 likes and then we will move ahead. Shall we go to the third concept? The first concept I started with this one. Okay, the second concept I started with this one. And the third concept I'm starting with package management in Linux. Very, very much important. Every DevOps engineer who starts his career, maybe fresher, maybe graduate, maybe 2 years, 3 years, 5 years experience, everyone has to go over these things, which is very, very much important. How many of you are freshers here? How many of you are freshers? Non-IT fresher. Yeah. How many of you are freshers? First, I want to know. Fresher. Only freshers, guys. How many of you are freshers? Only freshers. It means you are fourth year, third year, second year, first year, or 2025 pass out. Like you are going to pass out in 2025. What, yeah? Everyone is fresher in the class? Okay. Everyone is fresher? Okay. How many of most of you are freshers, guys? Okay. How many of you are looking out for jobs? Like you are an experienced and you are looking out for job change. I'm just noting down the count, okay? Okay, Prajakta Mayuri Chandra. Okay, if you all want documents, you need to stay till 8 p.m. Okay, right. Job change, experienced. Okay, oh, okay. The volume of freshers and the volume of job search people both are same. That's what I can understand, right? The volume of freshers and the volume of people doing the job change all are same. Correct? Yes. Yeah, I can understand. Okay, no worries. I'm here to help you. Okay. You will be you will be from zero to hero. Don't worry. Okay, I'm going to help you with my all the knowledge. Okay. I just want you to be with me for next 3 months. Okay. I want to be with me for next 3 months. Right. Okay. So all of you see here, guys, have you heard about patching? Have you heard about OS upgrades? Have you heard about Linux? What is that? Software or system management? Everyone heard? Yes. Everyone have heard. Okay, good. Now, all of you see here, what happens basically is whenever you have a laptop with you, After certain days, let's say like 10 days or 5 days, what will happen is basically, or let's say like 15 days, Naga, if you are doing a spam over this class, okay, I understood that what your intention is. If you are doing the spam, it's not good. Okay, let other chats also come in. I don't want to trouble you. Okay, so I understood. You will definitely get help from my classes. No need to worry. You just follow what I'm teaching. Okay, whatever the syllabus you have seen in the website, that will be only teach to you. Okay, clear, Naga? Right, thank you. Now, all of you see here, you have a laptop and you have a OS for the laptop. And for every 6 months, let's say I want to upgrade the OS, right? I want to upgrade the OS. I want to update the OS. So what you do some patching. Basically, in your Windows also, if you have seen, something will be downloaded from the internet automatically. Have you guys seen this? Yes or no? You have seen, right? Every time the system will get auto update. Why that is happening is that it is trying to make sure that whatever you guys are doing on the system, it's keeping your system updated. Okay, clear everyone? It's keeping your system always updated. Yes, very much important. So the same way in the Linux also, we need to do the patching as a DevOps and SRE or the Linux system administrator. You need to do the patching. And yesterday I have told you we have two systems in every organization primarily used, CentOS, and the other one is what, guys? Ubuntu. Correct? CentOS and Ubuntu, these two are the systems which are very, very much important. Okay. So for CentOS, anytime you want to do the patching, you will use yum command. And for Ubuntu, anytime you are doing the patching, you will do apt command. So what are this? Yum is yellow dog update manager. Please write down the full form. And this is, what is this? Packaging tool. A means what? Advanced packaging tool. What is A? Guys, what is A? Yeah, advanced packaging tool. Okay. So what happens, right? If you see for a Linux system, any software to be installed from internet, okay, any software which is to be installed from internet. Very beautiful. See here. Any software which has to come from the internet, these two tools are used. Okay, yum and apt. So yum basically starts with yum install MySQL, right? Yum install Apache. Yum install SSHD. I will show you these things in HandsOn. Okay. And similarly, this is for CentOS, right? This is CentOS. With CentOS, you use yum. Clear? Right. With your, what is that? With your Ubuntu, you use apt get install httpd. Apt get install MySQL. Clear, everyone? What are these things? What are the differences? How you can differentiate things? Clear, everyone? Right? Very simple. And all of you, please try to understand whenever you do, very important. This is a 5-star question. Please see. Okay. So all of you tell me, guys, yum install MySQL. Okay, brew is for Mac. Okay, homebrew brew command is for Mac, Kishore. Okay. No, Pawan, that will not work. Okay, right. All of you see here. Just tell me one thing. Okay, just tell me one thing. One question only I need from you. One query I need from you. Okay. When I am writing this command on the Linux system, can you tell me which version of MySQL will be downloaded? Any idea? Which version? You tell me now. Think and tell me which version. Which version of MySQL will be? Yes. Okay. So all of you are correct. So mostly what happens whenever we install some versions on the Linux, it will be mostly latest version. Okay. But tell me one thing. What will happen if I want to install only a specific version? How can I do? How can I do? I want a specific version to be installed on my Linux laptop. How can I do this? How can I do this? So basically, for these kind of things, you have something called yum repository config management. Okay. Okay. Please write down everyone this folder etc. Do you remember etc? etc yum.repos.d/. Okay. You create some file here, mysql.repo. Okay. So what will happen is whenever you run a command in the Linux system, yum install mysql, what will happen is it will immediately go to this file and read the data. Version data it will read. Okay. 5.8.7 and it will install that version. Are you clear? If you want specific version to be deployed in your Linux laptop, you always go with etc yum repos.d mysql.repo. Make sense, everyone? Yes. Anyone who wants me to repeat this? Anyone who wants me to repeat this? All good? Yes, good. So most of you have understood, right? Most of you have understood. It's very simple, right? We are doing the package management. And there are two commands in package management. That is your yum. And the other command is what? apt. Correct? apt is for which command? Ubuntu. Ubuntu server. Yum is for which command? Which server? CentOS. If I just take a Linux server, if I hit a yum install MySQL, it will directly hit the internet. Okay. Yes, it will directly hit the internet and get the data, latest version. Correct. If you want to have any particular version to be installed, what you do? You create a yum repository in etc/yum.repos.d/. mysql.repo. So what will happen when you type yum install mysql? It will first go to this file and download rather going to internet. Clear? Now you understood what is the use of this? Correct? Now you understood, right? Okay, good, good, good. Yes, Aditya, what's your question? I want your question to be posted in chat. Your doubt, exact doubt. What is your doubt? Yes, in APT also the package management is there, same like this. I am not remembering what exactly after ETC is coming, but you can check, no issues. Okay. In this also the same package management will be there. Everyone clear? I want Aditya or someone had some question, right? What's his name? Aditya Sutarve. I am waiting for your question. ETC. Okay. ETC slash APT slash source list dot d. Okay. This is for Ubuntu. Okay, Rohit, that's fine. We are just talking in general. Okay. Clear, everyone? Yes, I am telling you. Just wait. Now, all of you see here. Okay, this you understood, right? This part you understood, right? Yes. Okay. Now, do you have doubt where to put the version in this repo file? Correct? You have doubt? How I can keep this mysql.repo? Yes. So please write down this format. Okay. In the mysql.repo, when you do vim mysql.repo, okay, you should type something like this: mysql enabled equal to 1, gpg check equal to 1. Okay. Base URL equal to the URL. Okay. Please write down the mysql repo. Inside this file, this data you need to mention. Okay. And the base URL from the internet will have the version mentioned. Are you all clear, guys? This is called, I will type like this. I will write like this here for your understanding. This is called label. This is called whether this particular file is enabled or disabled. GPG check is the key for URL to download, and this is the URL. Yes, Lokesh, you are in Zoom link. I am able to see your chat. Okay, don't worry. Okay, Aditya, you have not joined yesterday's class. Okay, so please see the yesterday's class. We have already done the basic commands of user management, file management. I have shown you hands-on. So I think this is your first class. Not to worry. Okay. Okay, GPG check is the, you can see like I told you, right? Every URL has a username and password, correct? When you use a URL, every URL will have a username and password, correct? Every URL will have a username and password, correct? You all agree? So similarly, you can see this URL, if you want to authenticate, you need to have GPG check. GPG check is like a key or like a value. Yes, correct. Just write down. I will show you. I will show you hands-on or something on whatever we are discussing. Clear? Okay. Now, shall we start with the hands-on? Okay. There are many other things, but because you guys are telling me that, Praveen, we need hands-on, we need hands-on, we need hands-on. So let's jump into the hands-on. And whenever the theory is required, I'll come back here. Hey, why you need break? It's not even 1 hour. Why you guys need break? No need, right? No need of break. Okay. All of your chats I am able to see. And we will roll out the attendance at 8 p.m. or 8:15 p.m. sharp. Okay. Okay, great. Let's do the hands-on now. Okay. Going this class flawlessly. Let's go. Okay, great. How many of you have posted on LinkedIn yesterday, guys? My LinkedIn notifications was flooded. I will just show you how it was okay. Notifications. I'll just show you. See, till now, all the people, like, see, 45. See, this guy has just posted a post. Okay. And see, 44 likes, and people are talking with him, right? People are, oh, you posted. Oh, this is for yesterday's class. No? Okay. Okay. So if you see, many of you have posted, see, 10 reactions. Okay. 37 reactions. Okay. 28 reactions, 21 reactions, 13 reaction. So many of you have posted, and because I was so much tired yesterday, I couldn't reply to all of your comments. But what I will do is I will take out 1 hour of time today or by tomorrow morning. I will reply to each one of your comments here. Okay, those who have tagged me, all of your notifications will be coming to me. So don't need to worry. And those who have not done, okay, those who have not done the post on LinkedIn, a small request for you guys. See, I'm putting so much efforts. Okay. One LinkedIn post, if you can make, it will be very much helpful for me, or at least I will feel satisfied that you guys have done a small help for me back. Okay. So what I will request everyone is you can always tag me on LinkedIn. Okay. And you can put a post for today's class. How to make a LinkedIn post? No worries. I will tell you. You need to have your LinkedIn ID. You come to home, you start a post. Assume that today is your first day to hunt a job. Okay. And I learned LinkedIn from my teacher when I was doing MBA. He told me first to use LinkedIn. Okay. And if you see 2 years back, right, when I was doing my MBA, I'll just tell you the story. Okay. It will help you in understanding. When I was doing my MBA from 2020 to 2022 during the COVID time. Okay. So in 2020, I was taking the class from one of the sir for MBA, like my Masters of Business Administration. He introduced me to LinkedIn. And now it's almost like 4.5 years down the line. I am continuously using LinkedIn. When I was doing my first post, I was literally very feared whether my manager will see, whether my teammates will see, whether who will see. But today, if you see, I have close to 1 lakh plus followers, 1 lakh 10 or 14,000 followers on LinkedIn. Okay. So never get feared. You start assuming that today is your first post, and you can put anything. You can put the screenshot of Walmart. Okay. And you can tell the people that in Praveen Singampalli and Hey DevOps class, right, I learned about this. You can take the screenshot of anything. Let's say I'm going to take the screenshot of this. Okay. And I'm going to post it, let's say like on LinkedIn, right? I'm going to save this. Okay. Or else I will take some other picture also. So what you need to do, you need to go to home. You need to do this basically. Okay, 1 second. You need to start a post. You can come here. Okay, just see, I'll tell again, and you can just put this, or let's say like this, anything. Okay, so let's say like I'm learning today basics to advance, and you can tag me, Praveen Singampalli at. If you put a at on LinkedIn, it will show you. And you can type something. Today I learned about the Walmart's, right, flow of data, something like this. Or today I learned Linux commands and management. Anything, whatever you feel like, you can put and you can post. Once you post it, because you have tagged me, automatically I will get the update here. Is it clear, guys? Makes sense? You can post now also. No need to worry. Okay, you can post. Now also no need to worry because it will come directly on my feed. So let's do the hands-on, guys. Okay. So for doing the hands-on, you need to have an AWS account. Okay. So AWS account is must and should. Okay. So once you have the AWS account, you need to go to EC2 instance. You need to go to dashboard and you need to click on instances. Okay. And you need to spin up an instance. If you are able to see AWS, this is cloud, which I'll be teaching you in the coming classes. As of now, you can just have your account and those who are freshers, you can take the credit or the debit card from your parents, right? Clear? So because this AWS account needs your debit card or credit card, I'm using CentOS. I'll tell you what system I'm using. It will charge you 2 rupees. And guys, very much important, if any fresher in the class, once this hands-on is done, complete this hands-on in 30 minutes. Clear, everyone? You need to complete the hands-on once you are sitting before the system. If you have an AWS account, you need to complete the hands-on in 30 minutes and delete the instance. Clear? If you don't delete the instance, you ask your father or mother, they will get a credit card or debit card bill. Clear, everyone? But if you delete the instance in 30 minutes, first 30 minutes, you will not get any charge. Clear, everyone? Okay. If anyone has any system, okay, without AWS, if you have any Linux system, okay, Bhanu, I'm telling for you and everyone, if you don't have a AWS account, if you have any free Linux system, you can use that also. Clear? Clear, everyone? Yes. If you have Azure system, you can use. If you have any system, you can use. Okay. It's not compulsory. You use cloud only. Yes. If you have Relic machine, you can use it. Clear, every? Yes. VirtualBox also is fine, Apurva. No issues. Okay. We will do the same things. Now, all of you see here, I will launch the instance. Okay. I will write like Linux hands-on. Okay. Here. Okay. Any system you can use, guys. So let me start. I will take a CentOS system. Okay. T2 micro. Okay, proceed without a key pair. That we have done, 8 GB of data. And I will say launch instance. Okay, we will see now the hands-on. All of your eyes on the screen, guys. Okay, where is this launch instance? 1 second. Yes, they again changed the button to bottom. Earlier it was on top. Yes, guys, again I am telling, if you have Ubuntu system, if you have RHEL, if you have VMware, anything where you can do this hands-on, it's okay. I don't have anything, I will use cloud. Okay, clear? Makes sense? Yes, they always change their GUI here and there, here and there. Okay. All of you, I want you to pay complete attention. People on YouTube, those who are watching me, your complete yes, they always change. Should be now on the screen. Okay? Okay. It's not for Windows, guys. It's only for Linux. Okay. So let's start the hands-on. Okay. So what is the first command I will use? As of now, I am in easy to user. Yesterday we have seen. So the first command is sudo su, switch user. Okay. So from EC2 user, we have come to root user. Okay. We will clear the screen. Okay. So once I have done this, okay. Once I have done this, please see here, all of your eyes on the screen, guys. Okay. All of your eyes on the screen. Now we will do some hands-on tasks. Okay. So one by one, we will see now. Okay. All of you see here. So first, what I will do, I will create a user called DevOps user. All of your eyes on the screen. First, I will create a user, and whenever you are doing the hands-on, please make sure you use underscore here. Okay, DevOps underscore user. And what is user add command? Yesterday we have seen, I have created a user. Have you seen yesterday? I have created a user, right? So basically user add hyphen yum is basically to create the home directory for user. You can write it down on your notebook. The hyphen m command is used to create the home directory of the user. Okay. And DevOps user, you create. Once you have created the user, I will also create a group for the user. Correct? You understood? We all are a DevOps team. Correct? Yes or no? You, me, everyone are DevOps team. Correct? Do you agree with me? Everyone in the class are a DevOps team. Correct? So I will create a group called DevOps team. And what I will do, I will add that user to the DevOps team. See here. User modify. Okay, sorry. All of you see here. User mod, basically user modify hyphen AG is basically used to add a user to a group. Are you understanding? I created a user, I created a group, and I am adding that user to a group. Make sense? Everyone, please write down. Please write down every command that I am showing here. Create a user, create a group, add a user to group. Please write down in 30 seconds, I'll come. Okay? Okay. All of you have written the commands. User mod. Okay. So why we need to add a user to a group, guys? Any idea? Why we need to add a user to a group? Because any user that we create, we need to give a group to them, okay, to manage the permissions for security reason. Now, what is the next command? All of you see here, I created a user. I need a password for that user also. Do you agree? I created a user. I need a password for that user also. So what I will do? I will say PASSWD, the username, and I will create a password for that user for my security purpose. Here, I hope I am making it sense. Okay. So you created a user, you created a group, you added the user to the group, and you created a password also for that user. Now, once you have created the password, the next step is very, very beautiful step. So all of you see here, guys, tell me, how many of you feel that whenever a user is there, we need to block the access for the user. We need to grant the access for the user. Two things are there, correct? So whenever you want to block the access, I mean root access, correct? I don't want, whenever a user is getting created, I don't want that user to have root access. So what you will do? So basically for that reason, we have something called this file in the configuration folder. Do you remember I told you yesterday? etc. Okay. If you see here, cat slash etc slash ssh folder slash sshd underscore config. Okay. This is the file where all the user permissions, we can allow or deny the user permissions. Is it clear, everyone? I will show you. I will now show you how to allow or deny. Okay. So you see here, if I go into this file, very, very important question in interview, people will ask, how do you allow or deny? Okay. So you see, you need to give the space here. So all of you see here, this is my system. And if I come here and if I shift I, insert the data, let's say deny user, DevOps user. Okay. If I add it here, the user will not be able to log in or SSH into the system. Are you clear? If I say allow user, the user will be able to log in. Make sense, everyone? Yes or no? Yes. To restrict the SSH login to certain users, you need to modify the file, this file. Okay. And all of you see here, I already told you yesterday that everything is a data point in Linux. So you see, everything is a service. Now, this is a SSHD service. Now, how many of you say that I changed the file? I changed this file now. Do you agree? I changed the system. Yes, I changed the file. Now, do you think that in order my Linux system to take that file, I need to restart this service, SSHD service? Okay. So basically, systemctl is the command in Linux which will manage the processes. You have systemctl stop. Okay, write down. You have systemctl stop. You have systemctl start a service. Okay. You have systemctl restart a service. Yes. So that the permission gets applied to the user. Clear, everyone? Yes. Systemctl controlling the system processes or system services. Please write down. Systemctl is a command in Linux to control the system process or system service. Clear? Everyone clear? Okay. Good. Okay. Right. Now, I hope that till now you are enjoying the class. If you are enjoying the class, give me a yes. I will move forward. If you feel that no, yeah, it's a little bit difficult to understand, I will little bit go more, what you say, like more basics. Now I am little bit entering into the advanced. Okay, so you don't know, you might not know these things. So from here, I might go to advanced. But if you feel that no, Praveen, I still need basics, I will come back very basics. Okay. Are you guys understanding? People on YouTube? People on YouTube, you can give me a smiley. Based on your reaction, I will understand. Okay. Right. So you all are able to understand, right? So all of you see here, what I will do is I will say systemctl so that the Linux system can understand my changes. Okay. Whatever I have done the changes in the file, the system will understand. Systemctl restart. What is the service name, guys? RESTART SSHD. What is this? Failed because exited with error SSHD. Okay, there is some error. Okay, if you want to see this error, they are telling you need to check this. Okay, so what error is that they will be able to show you. But as of now, what I will do is I will clear the screen. We will not go into the depth of how to check the logs and all those things. How to come out of VIM editor? Very good question, by the way. Okay, so if anyone is doing this, like, okay, you are going into the file, please see here, everyone. If you are going into the file, if you want to come out of that file, you need to press escape on the laptop keyboard. Okay, yes, escape and this command. Oh, sorry. Escape. Down you see, once you press escape, it will be something like this. Shift the WQ and you will come out. Okay, that is the command you need to use. Now you understood about this. Now let's create a directory. All of you see here, I'm going to create a directory. Now we will play with directory. All of you see here. Now I'll create a directory. Okay, DevOps workspace. In that directory, I will create a file. Please see here. To create a directory, you say mkdir directory name. To create a file, you say touch command. Okay, touch project notes.txt. Okay, clear everyone? Clear everyone? Yes. To create a file, okay, you use touch command in Linux. Touch project notes.txt. Okay, yes. Now, very beautiful. All of you see here, you saw this command yesterday, ls-l, correct? Okay, sorry. So what I will do, I will go into the DevOps folder. Okay. And here I will say, okay, all of you see here I will say ls-l. Now, all of you see here, there are some permissions of the file. Are you able to see, guys? There is some permissions. Yes or no? And how many types of users we discuss? User, group, others, right? Root user is always there, but that's different. Root user is also a user. So there are three users: user, group, others. So please carefully see here what I'm going to do. I'll copy this. Okay. And I will paste it here. So what happens, right? Everything. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Please see here. Okay. So for, oh, sorry, my bad. Okay. I'll little bit make it big. Okay. Please see here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Okay. This one is for user. This one is for group. And this one is for others. Okay. Please write down. R represents read. W represents write. And X represents execute. It means the user has the permission to execute that file. Okay. And if you see in the numbers, read means 4, write means 2. This is 1. Okay. Clear in numbers. In Linux, this is how the culture is. RWX, read, write, execute. So you see, Now, can you tell me, guys, in number system, what is this value? Guys, what is RW value in number system? 4, 2, correct? So 4 plus 2 is what? 6, correct? Now, can you tell me what is this value? R dash dash 4, correct? And what is R dash dash? So can you tell me, can I say like 644 is the permission for this file? Can I say? Freshers, are you able to understand? Tell me a yes, or else I'll stop here and explain again. Clear? Good. Okay. Great. 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 So tell me, if you are a fresher and you are learning this for the first time, in your brain, is it getting registered what I am talking? Yes or no? I'm just trying to understand. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. I got only one no from Pallavi and Mahita. Two no. Three. Okay. Three people is fine. You can just watch. But I'm thinking that you guys are able to understand. Now, all of you see here why it is. Okay. I'll just make this small. Okay. All of you see here. What is the permission now here? Can you tell me? RW dash, R dash dash, R dash dash. 644 only, correct? 644. Now, can I change? I will change the permission now with the hands-on that I am doing. Okay. So all of you see here, if I am putting 740, chmod is the command to modify the permission of the file. Please write down. Chmod is the command in Linux to modify the permission of file. Clear? Yes. Now, can you tell me what is 740? 740. So 7 is RWX, 4 is R, and 0 is nothing. Correct? So if you do this, if I do ls-l, guys, do you see the permissions got updated? Correct? Are you seeing the permissions got updated? See, here the permission was different, 644. Here the permission is 7, 4, and 0. Are you able to understand? So if you are a Linux person, you need to know this. Clear now? If I change the permission now again to 744, see what happens. Okay. chmod 744 ls-l. Now, do you see the permission again changed? Yes, that's how the permission play happens here. Okay. Yes, you can do the same thing with this also. All of you see here. Chmod, let's say like plus X. Okay. I can do this also. Okay, there is some issue with my system. chmod plus X slash DevOps workspace slash project. Now, all of you see here, what will happen? So guys, see here, if I'm doing a plus X, all of the people are having execute permission. Yes, plus X means it's having the full permission to execute. Okay, everyone. See here, everything is there in the document, which will be shared to you. Once the attendance is taken, the document will be shared to you. No issues. Clear? Clear, people on YouTube? Okay. Beautiful. Right. Now let's move forward little bit. Now all of you see here. Beautiful. See here. You have a log file in the GitHub, guys. All of you see here. You have a log file. Is this a log file? Yes. See how much big log file it is. Are you able to see? Log, log, log. Guys, this is how Linux engineer works. Okay. Now you see any error logs are there? ERR, OR? Nothing, right? No error logs. Okay. So what I am going to do is I'm going to get this log file into the system, this server log file into my system. So how I will do it? Which command I will use it, guys? Any idea? Which command? Wget or curl? Wget or curl? See, I can use both. Okay, so that's what you will see here. See, wget or curl. Okay, I can use both the commands. So I will take one command here. Okay. Okay, it is not. Okay, now all of you see -o means output. Please write down. -o means output. Curl -output, hit the URL, get the data. Okay, now all of you see here. Do I have any log file here? Yes or no? I don't have any log file. Correct? I don't have any log file. Yes. So what I will do is I will copy this command. Okay. See here. Hit the URL, get the data. Now do you see here? The data which is present in internet has come to my laptop. Correct? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now what is the process that we'll do is these are the Linux commands to play with files. Okay. If I hit grep -I, if I want to filter out the failure data from the log, so grep -I, the failure value and the log file name. You will get all the logs here. Public repo, I use the curl command, brother. Kishore, you are not paying attention in the class. I use this curl command. I told you in the theory, hit the URL, get the data. In Linux, if you want to get something from internet, you have to use get. Okay. Now, all of you see here, 𝐴𝐤𝐾. Did I told you 𝐴𝐤𝐾? What is this 𝐴𝐤𝐾 doing? What is this 𝐴𝐤𝐾 doing? Any idea? Extracting and playing with variables. So let's see what is this exactly doing, if this is giving any error or not. So if you see here, there is some error in the command. Okay. If you see 𝐴𝐤𝐾, I am trying to print out the values from the log file, but it is telling some invalid character or command. So what we will do is we will open a new session here. We will say connect. That will not work. It got struck. Okay. So we will say new session, and whatever we have done, let it get saved. Okay. What it is telling. Okay. So sometimes what happens, this AWS will not allow us to connect to the server sometimes. So You don't need to worry. You have to just wait for the time. Okay. Okay. So sometimes it happens, not to worry. We will try, keep on trying this thing. Because that is also a virtual server. No, no, no security groups. I will restart the system if it is still behaving like that. But please see here in the hands-on. Once we have done this, SED rejects patterns. Okay. These all are commands like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to find some specific value with Linux, you can find it out. Okay. If you want to sort some file in Linux, you can find it out. If you want to read the first 10 lines of the Linux file, you can use head. I have told you yesterday, head, tail. First 10 lines, head. Last 10 lines, tail, tail minus 10. Okay. So you see here, this outputs the top 10 entries, first 10 lines. Okay. Sort is a unique command in Linux, which is sorting the log file, sorts the log file, unique, counts the occurrences of each unique line, right? And reverse order. NR is in reverse order. NR. Okay, let's see if the system is up for us. Okay, it's still behaving like this. I'll once restart the system. Okay. Yes, I'm restarting for you guys. Yes. Okay. Okay, rebooting means it is automatically restarting. Okay. Yes, you can use MobaX term, putty and everything, which we will discuss in the batch 11, not here. Okay, Shravanti? And yes, all the documents, because it's a free class. Okay, documents, recordings, anything. Even yesterday recording, if you see, we took some storage cost, okay, for that. But it will not be available for a long time, that recordings and all, okay? So you have to ultimately join live sessions only. Okay, the recordings, if you are seeing in the website, it will be removed soon. Okay, because yesterday was the first class, we put it, but recordings and documents will not be downloadable. Again, I am telling. Okay, if you are joining batch 11, documents will be downloadable, recordings will be available, everything will be there for you. No issues. Yes. Yes. Uh, I will tell you. I will tell you those who have joined batch 11. I will talk with you all at the end of the class. Right. Let's complete the hands-on. Okay. And I will tell you like when the batch is going to start, whatever you are giving the comments, I will tell you. Okay. No issues. Right. Let's see now connect and let's see to do the hands-on. If it is still not allowing, I will explain you theory. Okay. Still is. Okay. Let's do the theory part once. Okay. I will not do again creation of the system and all, but I will show you. Okay, how many of you remember that we have discussed one command yesterday, fdisk? Fdisk. Do you remember? Fdisk hyphen L. Do you remember yesterday? I have shown you the hands-on. Yes, you all know, right? So all of you see here, that command is used to tell you the list of available partition. Okay. So people on YouTube, I'm just putting you this. It's very important for you to understand what is this F disk is doing. Okay. It gives you the list of available partitions. Correct. Partitions means disks, which we have seen yesterday. Now, all of you see here what I am going to do. Okay, I will show you the hands-on only. It's very important for you to understand. But system is not up. This partition thing, we will do hands-on or theory is fine. Will you be able to do hands-on or you want me to do it hands-on? You decide. If you tell me to do hands-on, I will little bit put more efforts and do it. But if you think that, okay, Praveen, I can learn from document, let it be. No issues. You want hands-on? What about people on YouTube? Actually, see, this is so much efforts, right? Hands-on or you want me to do it hands-on? Okay. It's very much huge efforts again to create a system, again to run all the things. You will do? You guys can do by watching the document and following the steps. What's your take? People on YouTube. Hands-on. What about others? You have done. Good. Okay. So let's do one more time, connect the system. Let's see if it is allowing us. Okay, no issues. Let's create one more instance. I'll terminate the instance as of now. Okay. Let's do one more launch instance. Okay, no worries. This is a little bit important for you to understand how the disk management is done in Linux. Okay. So I will say disk management. Okay, all of you see here, yesterday we have hit fdisk-l and it showed us the disk with 8 GB of Linux file system, correct? So what hands-on we are going to do is today we will take a directory and we will do the hands-on to mount this directory on a Linux file system. Okay. And what I will do is I will create a loop device today. Okay. So loop device is basically an imaginary storage mounting. Okay. I will tell you. Okay. All of you see here. You create a disk, attach to Linux machine, and then you mount that disk to folder. Okay, you create a disk, you attach it to Linux system, you mount that disk to a folder. Why you are mounting, guys? Any idea? Why you are mounting that disk to a folder? Yes, because you mount the data to the folder. If the disk is corrupted, in the folder, the data is present. Okay, yes, storage. Now that's what we are going to do. So let me show you what are we going to do. Sudo mkdir mount DevOps data. And I'm going to create, all of you see here, I'm going to create a 1 GB space for my Linux machine. So please see here, whenever you are copying the commands, please see this value should be good. Okay, beautiful. Now all of you see here, sudo dd. Okay, let me remove sudo also. Anyways, I am in the root. So what I'm going to do is, and for your information, you don't need to remember this particular command. That should be fine. But all the above commands, you need to remember how to create a user, how to create a group, how to add the permission, what is rwx, chmod, what is curl, what is wget, all those things you need to remember. This is fine. This is fine. Okay. Now, what is the task for today, all of you, is you have to go home and understand what is DD, what is this command doing. Please note down the command and put a 2 stars on top. Please do that. And what is the size of the disk that we are going to create? 1 GB. Okay. Clear, all of you? Have you written the command? DD if dev0 of mount DevOps data.img bs of 1 GB. Okay. So I see that yesterday. Yes, yes, you need to go home and search. If I don't give task, will you be opening book again? Let's say you watch the class today. Will you be opening the book again after going home? Right. So you need to remember, like, I have given a task to you. Right. So that's very important. Right. So check this. What is this? And write it down in your notebook. Okay. And yesterday I see that a few of you have tagged me on Instagram. So those who have tagged, I have put it here. Okay. If anyone has not tagged me or anyone has missed to tag me, the learnings that you are doing, I will tell you, no one is going to teach you for free. These all things. Okay. I'm giving a damn surety. These all things are complex and it really takes a lot of efforts. Okay. So all of you see here, I have hit the command. Okay. How many of you are in Instagram, by the way? Like, you are in Instagram? Because I will do some lives and all those things. You are in Instagram. Everyone. Okay. Sudhana is not in Instagram. So why you guys are not following me? Follow. Follow, follow. Okay. You guys are on Instagram. YouTube. Follow, follow. Okay. And YouTube people, 10 more likes to make it 50, 150 likes. Okay. So make it 150 likes on this video. You are following? Yes, you are following, all of you. Okay, let's do this, guys. Okay, 1 second. All of you hit on this link and give a like on the video. All of you, let's do it on the YouTube for my efforts. Let's do this. All of you hit this link and then I will show you the hands-on for disk management. Okay, all of you hit that link and give a like, guys. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's make it 200 likes. Give a like on the video. Oh, all of you. You guys are not able to hit this link which I'm sharing. Hit that link. Okay, all of you. Okay, let's make it 200. 200. Yes, you have to hit this link. It will take you to the YouTube live. Let's make it. Let's make it. Let's make it 200. Everyone. If you are in the class, you can do it. Little things for me, na? This is very little ask. Okay, 174 likes. Oh, refresh it once. How much you have done? Let's see. Okay, one more 300. Let's make it 300. Chalo. Share the link. You want this link? Okay. And subscribe to the channel also. If you are new, you don't know me. Oh, refresh it once. Okay. If you don't know me, you can subscribe to the channel also. Don't leave it. Okay. Please subscribe to the channel. Okay. Please subscribe to the channel. Okay. And if anyone is from Telugu side, let's see, like you are from Telugu, right? You know Andhra or you talk little bit of Telugu, you can check out my Telugu channel also, right? Only for Telugu community, right? Okay. Right. This is for Telugu people, and I'm just putting Telugu people here. Okay, so let's okay, and this is our Instagram. If you are not following, I would sincerely request you to follow me here also. Okay. If you don't know me, you will know me a little bit better. Okay. And guys, one small request. Okay. If you see yesterday's YouTube video live, which we have done, it reached almost 6,000 views. And if you see, you all software development is evolving. Are you? Okay. 400 plus likes are there. Okay. And I just asked, how was today's class? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do the same thing today in this YouTube live also, which I'm taking now. So what you can do is, yes, I have given the timestamps also in this video. You see, timestamps are also there. So once this live is completed, can you make it a comment here? I will put the same comment on today's video also. Can you keep a comment for me? How was the class? Whether it was good or not? Yes. Okay. You can do that, right? So that I can know your name. So if you keep like Sudipta, like Sakshi Bunani, I'm not sure who are these people, right? Okay, good. Definitely. Okay, thanks a lot. Let's move forward on the hands-on. So all of you see, do you see something it has created for us? It has created. Now, if I put fdisk-l, okay, not fdisk, sorry. 1 second. There is a command to be followed here. Okay, so all of you see here, there is something we need to do with this file system. Okay, if you are able to see, okay, which file system we have created? .img of how much size? How much size? 1 GB. Now in Linux, whenever a disk is created, please listen carefully. Whenever a disk is created, for the Linux to understand that disk, you have to convert that disk with this command. Please write down. I will tell you some commands like this. mkfs, make file system command. Okay. And other commands, make file system is there. What are the other commands, guys? I'll ask you only. I'm not remembering. What are the other commands? Make file system to change the file system according to our need. One is make file system, not make directory. XFS file system. Okay. Please write down XFS. Yes. ext4 file system, ext3 file system. And what else? NFS network file system. What else? LVM. Yes, this I have told you, right? Logical volume. Swap. Okay. Now, please write down these things in your notebook. Very important. Very important. All of you written? Yes. Okay. At 8:15 p.m., I will take the attendance for you guys. Okay. So please stay. Okay. So after that, if your attendance is marked at 8:15 p.m., we will talk later. What will happen? Okay. Like you are asking about document and all those things, right? Okay. Written everyone. Now let's do this MKFS file system. If you are able to see, guys, please see here, allocating tables, the table got altered. Creating a file system, correct? Now, let's do the next step. Okay. Now, please see here. I told you, right? Mount the loop data onto folder. Correct? What was our 4 steps? Create a create a file system, right? Attach it to the folder, mount the folder. So we have created this of 1 GB. We have mounted on the folder. Correct? And finally, if you do df-h, guys, how many of you are able to see the folder structure. How many of you are able to see the folder structure? Everyone? Everyone. And now I can save my data. See, 1 GB. Size is how much? 1 GB. Good? Everyone good? Yes? Yes or no? Yes? Okay, beautiful. Now, you tell me, see here, among this all files, which is the largest file system, guys? I will ask you one scenario. How much size was dev/xvda1? How much size was initially dev/xvda1? 8 GB. From 8 GB, I took 1 GB, correct? From the 8 GB of data, I took 1 GB. Now you see that that is not 8 GB now. Do you agree? Like it's less than 7 GB. Correct? See the difference. Here only you will see the difference. This. Correct? That's how the partitioning of the disk happens. Everyone happy? 1.6 GB. Now you will have a doubt, Praveen, where is that 600 MB went? Basically, what will happen whenever you divide that system? Okay, whenever you divide the space of the system, it will be little bit here and there. Okay, I'll clear the screen for you. Now you tell me, whatever we discussed, and there are many things which you can see, process management, this ping and all we have completed yesterday. I'll not go down. But tell me, till now, whatever we have discussed, did you all understood? Did you all feel happy? Did you all are happy with the class that I am keeping efforts? You all are understanding things from my class. People on YouTube, what you say? Little confusing? No worries. First time, little confusing. Next time, when you do the hands-on after going home, very easy. Good. Everyone. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Zigzag way. Good. Little bit, I know, like little bit there will be doubt. But all the concepts, whatever we have done in the class, 100% I am telling you will be asked in the interview. Okay. 2 years, it's more. Okay. Now, all of you see here, yesterday, I was having 2 slots for the batch 11, if you see, right? And the batch 11 is going to start in March 3rd week. Okay, March 3rd week. But before that, you will have prerequisites to complete. Once you are joining batch 11, you are going to complete some prerequisite videos, which will be attached on the website soon. Okay. And I am having 10 more slots for you guys with coupon code last10. And you need to understand one thing here for batch 11, that before I release on YouTube, the price which you are seeing is not be available to YouTube people. Okay. So I have 10 slots with this coupon. Once this 10 slots are changed, it will be again gone. Okay. So Datta, you can, you are here. Yes. So what I can do is I can kick you out from the class, right? If you don't want this, right? You are done with the class. You can leave. We will take the attendance. No worries also, right? So those who want to enroll for batch 11, right? Please enroll for batch 11. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, batch 11 is basically job oriented class. When I am discussing about job, you are going to get job with this. Very much I'm going to tell you, I'm going to give you like 100, maybe like 90% of assurance. If you complete all the class things, which I'm going to tell you from start to end with this projects, right? With the 14 projects which you are seeing, DevSecOps pipeline with monitoring, Docker, Kubernetes, Argo CD GitOps, Python programming, Kubernetes information scenarios, stacks, Prometheus, Grafana, right? And shell scripting scenarios, individual Jira portal creation. And all of you see here, everyone, those who are joining my class, you will have your own Jira portal. Okay? All of you. Are you seeing, guys? Everyone, those who are joining the batch 11, you all will have your own Jira portal, and we will do the automation in this Jira. Everyone clear? I'm going to assign you some tasks in the Jira, and you are going to complete that. It will be morning sessions from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. closed. Okay? So those who are enrolling for batch 11, you will have some Jira tickets and you will have your own Jira. Let's say like I have Rushi. Okay. So rushi.atlassian.net, you will have a Jira account like this. Yes. In the batch 11, we will discuss. Okay. So those who are joining batch 11 with today's last day offer, you need to understand only 10 slots. And if you want recorded videos, you can select this. If you want one-to-one mentorship, dedicated one-to-one mentorship, like Praveen should be there with you, you can enroll for this. Total 3 months, guys. Okay. So March, April, May, you will be with me. Okay. March, April, May. See, I will be making sure it's completed on time. Okay. And I'm not going to run away from you guys because you guys see the placement stories on the website. Okay. I will be sharing this link for YouTube people also. Okay. And once you are enrolling, let me know. Okay. So I will put here, enroll here for batch 11, and you will be able to see that we are going to do so much things. Links will work. Links will work. See, I'm going to hit this link. It's working, right? Now, once you are enrolling, you can let me know your name. Yes. Okay, you didn't saw the option. Please see here, guys. There is an option to opt for previous batch recorded videos, and there is an option for one-to-one mentorship also. If you are not opting, you will not be given these options again. Okay. Now, if you are enrolling, please let me know the count. Please let me know your name, and we will reduce the count one by one. Okay. And you can see the placements also here. Placements from previous sessions. Yes, you will be able to have recordings in batch 11, documents downloadable in batch 11. Okay. Yes. Good. How many of you? Okay. Once you are enrolling, please tell me your name so that I can minus the name. Okay. Enrolled for batch 11, including one-to-one mentorship just now. I am Shiva from batch 2, was not able to complete batch 2. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Shiva. That's really nice. Can you please let me know how to enroll batch 11, Chandra? You have to enroll for batch 11. No, Abhishek, if you are from batch 7, you cannot continue. Okay, batch 11 is completely different. Okay, guys, once you are enrolling, let me know your name. I'll be taking some queries on YouTube also. For Telugu people, please provide the Telugu recording video. I've already enrolled yesterday. Yes, those Jira will be free. Yes, Devika and everyone, those who are joining my batch 11, your Jira accounts will be free, and I will be assigning you tasks in the Jira. Please see here, guys. All of you, please see here. Prerequisites, Reshma, I will be telling you in next coming weeks, not now. Okay, batch 11, you have to wait. But once you are enrolling, right, by next few days, you will have set of prerequisites to be completed. Yes, Vignan, only documents, okay, for batch 11 documents. Okay, how many of you are going to enroll? Arun, 2 sessions, okay, 2 sessions. How many of you are going to enroll for batch 11 with me? See, today's class you saw, okay, let me delete my instance or else I will get the amount here. Today's class you saw how I teach, how I help you. Okay, I'm only looking for 10 people. Okay, I'm only looking for 10 people. Yes, anyone. Yes, Lokesh, you will get reply. Enroll for batch 11. Madan, now those who are enrolling with last 10 coupon, you let me know. Those who are enrolling with last 10 coupon, you let me know, because once we release this in YouTube, this coupon will be changed and price will be changed again. right? Price will be increased. So you have to enroll today because you all are my premium people. You all have come here. Batch 11 is completely advanced, guys. Advanced than your batch 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So Abhishek, the content is completely changed. Okay. The content is completely changed. And job assistance and guidance. Yes. Madhu Tiwari. Yes. Please let me know your query. Yes. Okay, Karthik. Sure. Fee for batch is 4,999, guys. Okay. 4,999. Only for 10 people we are waiting. Yes. What doubt you have? Tell me. And you can check the placements here. No, your comment is visible, Madhu. Okay. Hi, Praveen. I'm from Batch 9. I have a general question. How is the job market now? Job market is good. Ramesh, job market is good. Guys, anyone who is enrolling, let me know your name. Okay, you can see all the placement stories, all the placements, the resumes, 8 years resume. See here, we are going to provide your 8 years resume. Okay, certificate of completion. Please see here, certificate of completion and what not. See here, guys, our student placed in Flipkart, Nayan Chafle. You can search the name also with him. Okay. Yes, it will be very helpful. This course is designed for beginner to advanced. Okay. So you are a fresher. Class timing, you can see here, 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. morning batch. Okay. All the resources downloadable. Python, I will teach you from basics to advanced. Okay. Okay. Anyone enrolling, let me know your name. Yes, Vinay, we have seen. No worries. Yes, today is Sunday. We will update you. You asked for something, right? Are you that one? You have to enroll in the live class, guys. Live class, you have to enroll. Yes, Vinay. Yes, we will help you. No issues. Yes, I remember we had a chat. Okay. You have to enroll now. I got your reference from my friend. He also got placed. Madhu, can you retype that message once? And what is your friend name? Which batch he has from? Batch 11 is morning batch. Madhu, can you put that message again, which you have typed, if you don't mind? Which batch your friend is? Sure, I'm going to react, Ayush. Okay. You can check the projects here, all the projects. Yes, weekend batch. Yes, Madhu, same. Poonam, yes, same. Weekend batch. Yeah, Madhu is telling something. Okay, people on YouTube, if you have any queries, please let me know. Live sessions weekends. Yes, correct. 5K. Very less cost. Okay. Trinad, will I get recorded classes? It will be batch 11 weekend class. Yes, Madhavi. Yes. Okay. I need the name. I need the names, those who are enrolling, guys. Yes, payment from outside India. Yes, Julian, we are accepting outside India also. You can check. If you can make class available for that, Prajakta, I didn't get that. What is your question? 3 classes in a week. In a week, 3 classes. Okay. So you can check all the details here. What projects we are going to cover. How students have got placed. Yes, Python automation with project 5. Yes. My friend name is Suraj Supekar. He was from batch 9. He got placed, moved to Bangalore. Good. Thanks a lot. Yes, recorded sessions will be given in batch 11. If you missed the batch live, recording classes will be given. Okay. Okay. 8 slots, guys. 8 slots. 8 slots. Book your seat. Book your seat. Book your seat and we will talk about some things about batch 11. We have 3 to 4 people join planned for batch 11. Please, how to reach you? Ramnath, you can talk with me right now. I'm going to give you access. Okay. So you can talk with me right now, allowed to talk. Yes, you can ask, you can unmute yourself, talk with me. What are your doubts? What are your queries? Anything you can talk.
We are planning for 3 to 4 people. Weekend batch only. So one-on-one only, and we can do for the interaction or any personal contact with you.
What are your queries? Like, I wanted to understand what are your doubts basically.
No, better to one-on-one we can speak,
Okay. Okay.
if it
So
is possible.
basically, that's correct. So basically, I don't have anything one-on-one because Monday to Friday, I'll be busy with, like, you can understand, right? Like,
Not
content.
not beyond. No, no. We have group call. We can not more than 10 minutes for that.
Okay. Do one thing. You can email my team, right? And they will respond you. You can put your query first. Like,
Yeah, no, no. We are already having experience with other infrastructure,
I
but
understand.
only thing is DevOps we have to start from the scratch. Some people have minimal knowledge. Some people they have to start from the scratch.
Correct. Correct.
Okay. So, so we are planning for the four team people. They are all working in different companies.
Correct.
So that's the reason I'm asking you.
Yeah, sure. I'm going to take that. You see, I have given you email. You just connect and we will help. Okay. Yes. Thanks a lot. So
Sure,
that was
sure.
Ramnath. Yeah,
Thanks.
thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So that was Ramnath. Okay. Madan has enrolled. Thanks a lot. Okay. So I'm waiting for. Yes, Chandra, you can talk. I'm going to give you access. Chandra.
Yeah,
CHA.
yeah. Chandra and myself, we are both
Oh, you are
together.
from same. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So
same team,
four
and one
people are
more
here.
person. Yeah,
Four
yeah.
people.
So no, three people here. I think one more people going to be joined, or he joined, or he didn't join. I don't know. But Ranga and Chandra and myself, three people here.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, got it, got it. So sure, we will connect, no issues. So those who want to talk, I'm giving the access to you guys. You can talk. Okay, go ahead. Yes. Yes. Reshma, you had some question? Reshma? Benefit of recorded videos, Trinad, is that you can learn from yourself. Okay, so one thing I wanted to tell you, those who are opting for recorded videos, if you are looking out for job, you can opt because this will be directly given to you today itself with all documents, interview questions, hands-on, everything. And if you are not looking for, let's say, job, you can opt for one-to-one mentorship and batch 11. That should be fine for you. Okay. So I'm just waiting for 8 more people to come with me, right? And then we can see. Okay, Reshma, I have given you access to talk. You have any queries with me? You want to talk anything? No? Okay. Anyone wants to talk with me? I see so many hands raised. If anyone wants to talk with you, you have to put in chat that, okay, you have a query. Attendance, I will take, guys, wait. Once I talk with some people, na? Okay, Sai Kumar is telling, I'm from batch 8, you will get full knowledge. Okay. Okay, Reshma is not able to speak. Okay, let me open the chat for her. Reshma, see, you are already talking with me, but I'm not able to hear your voice. Okay, Madhavi, let's take Madhavi. Okay, Madhavi, you can talk.
Yeah, hi. Hi, Praveen. Thank you
Hi.
for the opportunity.
Yes.
Yeah, here I just wanted to understand, like, are you continuing the batches with the same content that you are preferring,
No.
or you are changing the contents based on the batch to batch?
Batch to batch, I change the content. And for your information, for every batch, I look out for job. So for example, let me tell you.
Hmm.
So let's say like if you see my job section on LinkedIn, right? And if you go to my jobs,
Okay.
batch 10 started 4 months back roughly. Okay. So if you see in my applied job section, see, I started again. Okay. So 2 weeks back and all. You see 4 months back, 4 months back, 4 months back. So every time I try to give interview questions, like I need to be different from others, right? Others are teaching, I'm also
Yeah,
teaching.
correct.
So
Correct.
every batch when I start, I do a job search. I collect all the interview questions and I save that interview questions in the document. So if I have to show you how the pattern of the jobs is right now, just I will show you
Hmm.
the coding questions and all those things you see.
Hmm.
Yeah, job search 2024. If you see, I started for 2024 August to December. So
Hmm.
basics of DevOps and Linux is 30%. Docker files, Terraform files, Kubernetes files are, let's say, like 10 to 15%. Python coding one hacker rank or lead code one question, which comprises of 30% of your interview, and system design with your SRE, SLI, SLO, all those things comprises of 30%. And your what you call, let's say, like your leadership skills, how you talk, how you behave, will be comprising of 10%. So total, if you see, like 100% comes into this. And every pattern, like let's say, like I cleared State Street, I wrote some questions. And if you see, like how the coding pattern, right here, if you see, they give you hacker rank and they give you the Kubernetes manifest file to write down, right, in the hacker rank. And they will give you 5 questions. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and this is my exam. So you need to write, okay, what is the scenario they are asking? You need to write for that. So that's how difficult the interviews are. And every time I change the content based on what I get from the exams, or you can say like interview. Clear?
Okay, just like to ask one more question here, Lily. I'm already a lateral working for one of the Texas company as a DevOps engineer only, like both the Agile and DevOps. So here my exactly thing is like now I would like to enhance my own more on this DevOps tools and what currently I'm working on Git Actions as a CSA pipeline. Okay, so this I want to more and more the concepts and the things. Then how exactly like now you're using an Ansible, those other things, other sort of tools, right? So I'm just thinking like, so exactly this can be helpful to me in my own experience, that real experience, like what I'm currently working. So is it somehow you can just convince or explain me, please?
Okay, sorry. So your voice was, I didn't get that. So your question is, you have some experience. Suppose you are learning from me, how to match both of them. Is that your question?
Exactly. Currently, just consider that I'm working as a DevOps engineer in my
Okay.
exact something. Okay.
Okay.
So currently, I'm using a tool called Git Actions for my CSA pipelines, and Jira is on my agile activities. Okay. Now, what are the tools that you are using? So if I take the course from you, like I'm very quite interested to take. That is fine, happy. So I'm just quite interested what you are saying. That will be okay for me. And so I want to just have more in-depth in my currently what I'm using the tool. So then the tools which are giving me somehow, yes, is fine, but those are something different. What, because you also know
I
there are
will tell
so
you.
many tools.
See, in the world of DevOps, there are many tools. If you feel that your job, whatever you are doing, and whatever you will learn in batch 11, right? If you feel that batch 11 content is more good to give you a job, you will change entire your resume with batch 11 projects. Okay. If you feel that your current project is good, and if you want to mix both, you can do that. Tools are very huge structure. So I tell you how you can prepare your resume, and all will be live projects. You will be able to understand in an easy manner also. Okay. So whatever is good for you to get a job, we will add that. Not like what is you are learning or what is you are learning in batch 11. We will add both, and we will prepare a resume, because it will be easy for you to explain to the people also. Opposite people you need to explain, right? That will be helpful. Okay. And are you the one who told your friend has got job?
No.
No. Okay, Madhavi. No. Okay,
No,
there is
yeah.
another. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
No problem. Okay. Okay. Anyone else who wants to talk with me? Okay. 7 slots left, guys. Okay. 7 slots left. Kumar Abhijit. Okay. Abhijit Kumar. Kumar. Oh, okay. Got it. Yeah. Go ahead, Abhijit. And after that, last year. Okay. Abhijit, I have given you access.
Hi, Praveen.
Hey, hi. Yeah.
Okay, I just wanted to check. I mean, it was written there that there will be one-on-one sessions with you.
Yes.
So, I mean, how often that can be, and how to approach for that
Correct.
once enrolled?
Once you are opting for, let's say, this one, okay, once you are opting for one-to-one mentorship, you will receive an email. This will be a separate email for those who are enrolling for one-to-one mentorship. You will receive a separate email. What you have to do is, you will not have link in that email to opt for a session. Once you are receiving this email, you need to forward that email whenever you feel like, okay, I'm going to the job, I need my resume to be ready, or I'm not able to understand what are the concepts, or I'm feeling demotivated. Anything you feel, on the top of that email, you need to loop us, right? Our email will be there in the email itself, wherever you have received. You have to forward that email and you have to ask for one-to-one session. My team will be sending you a separate link where the calendar will be there and you can opt for session anytime. So 2 sessions will be there. And not only that, your personal email ID will be taken and the queries can be solved, like maybe in the future. Also, we will help. So it's like that.
So is it like once, or how many times? Is there a limitation for that?
Two times only, 2 times.
This is in the entire course, 2 times I can raise
Not
for that.
entire course, anytime after course, or let's say like if you are not looking for job right now and 2 months are completed and in the 5th month you have doubt, you approach us, no issues. That is available for 2 times till like the course is completed. Like for 2 years, it's valid.
Okay. Another thing is I am preparing for it for a few months now, and just wanted to check with you, as I'm not into this. I'm into something else. I'm a part of infra team. So I just wanted to check with you how beneficial that this can be for me, because I'm particularly looking for projects, because it will be a completely different path for me to get into it.
Don't worry, you are already doing infra related things, right? If you want to spin up a project with infra, that will be very good for you. You will keep some projects from us, right? And some projects, whatever you are doing. And DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, infra engineer, support engineer, DBA, network engineer, all can come into DevOps. That will be very helpful. Okay.
Okay, so will it be easier to understand and go through?
You are already working, man. See, freshers, if they're asking this question, I can understand. You are already working. So it will be easy. But you have to complete entire course. You have to complete you have to join live session. My always request is, see, I can put recordings also, but my intention is if I teach in live, it will be very good to you. Right? So if you are doing that, I am happy. No issues. You can.
I'll be in the live sessions. And one more thing I wanted to ask is, the last thing is, in the link which I opened, there it was written it is weekend, and you are telling it was during the weekdays.
3 classes, right? So Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday evening. Wednesday, we have a doubt session, which you can see in the website, right? So if I have to show you, let's say like home and then course and then this one. Okay, so if you come down, yeah, so you can see here, doubt session will be on Wednesday. On the weekends, you will have the classes. So basically the plan is Monday, Tuesday, you will complete the Saturday, Sunday class projects. Wednesday, you will come with doubts. Thursday, Friday, I will again assign some tasks for you. And again, Saturday, Sunday, you will come with me. So like that, the entire week is planned.
Okay. Yeah. Now I got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay, so I see Abhishek is from my college, but yeah, no, Manikanta. Last year you were there? You can talk. I think.
Yes,
Yes.
Anna.
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Anna, I'm currently in my final year of BTech. So you are
Ah,
saying that this is going to be in advanced level, right? So am I able to understand what are you teaching in this batch?
did you
Like I'm
understood?
completely beginner. I have no idea about these
Did you
tools.
did you did you understood today's class?
Uh, yes, Anna, but not completely,
Not
but I
complete.
understood.
Okay, so let me tell you, in the batch, right? It will be little bit more content. What you see today is let's say like 30%. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Many things you have to learn. So basics నుంచి చెప్తా guarantee. But
Okay.
advanced will also be there. So ఒకవేళ నువ్వు జాయిన్ అయితే నా రిక్వెస్ట్ ఏంటంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు పుట్ మోర్ ఎఫర్ట్స్. అంటే నువ్వు క్లాస్కి వచ్చి క్లాస్ వినేసి వెళ్ళిపోతే అవ్వదు. అంటే క్లాస్
Okay.
తర్వాత కూడా నువ్వు చదువుకోవాలి, యూట్యూబ్ వీడియోస్ చూడాలి, ఏమైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే నోట్స్ రాసుకొని వెడ్నెస్డే క్లాస్లో నన్ను అడగాలి. ఇట్స్ లైక్ అ ప్రాసెస్. Entire 3 months, 4 months. And one more thing, I will tell you, if you are a fresher, if you keep these projects now, and you sit in the interview, definitely I am guaranteeing no one will tell you no. College placements వస్తే 4th year లో, if you keep projects and you tell the real things like walmart.com ఇలాంటివన్నీ చేశాను understanding, definitely it will help you.
Okay, Anna. Thank you, Anna.
Right, no issues. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Very sweet people, right? So thanks. Yeah. Okay, great. Bhanu. Okay. Um,
Hey, hi, Praveen.
Hi. Yeah, go ahead. Abhishek.
First of all, I want to congratulate you on these huge things what you are going on.
Sure.
I have a small doubt. Like usually, if we go any Udemy courses and all, no,
Hmm.
they'll tell that they are teaching us from scratch,
Hmm.
but they'll just take a project and they do just the process how it was going on DevOps. I We are not having any fundamentals of it. Why we are writing these things? Why we are
Hmm.
writing these things?
Hmm.
Like if
Hmm.
we go on Java, first we can know what is interface, what is like all the OOPS concept. We will know. Later we will jump into the project and we'll start doing the all the activities, right? Like post mapping, put mapping, and also we can understand what is from because of fundamentals. Is that same will be going to happen for Kubernetes, Terraform, all those things in batch 11 course?
Sorry for not listening your question. Sorry for that. So I understood a little bit. You are telling that in Udemy and all the courses, they will tell something in the upper level.
No, they'll just go through the process and they'll just use the variables and all the things, but they won't focus on the fundamentals of the course. They'll just take a project and they'll go through all the things so we can
Not.
do this like this and all.
I
But
will
we don't be having some fundamentals on it.
No, without fundamental, how it's possible? In today's class, I first told you theory,
Yeah, I understood.
and
Is it,
then
but if we go for Kubernetes, Terraform, it will be same, or you will just touch the basic small projects and you'll combine up the sessions like that. I have a small.
no, that will not be there. Okay, so we will cover mostly all the things that are there in the companies only. So Udemy and all, less cost, same projects. Okay, that will be different. My price, my projects, my efforts is completely different. And I told you, like, I do always job search. So I know what market is expecting, what market is looking for. And you can think twice and enroll, no issues. Okay.
Okay.
Great.
And one more question.
Hmm.
After the course, we have all the LinkedIn optimization of the profile
Yes.
and all these things, right?
Yes.
Now,
That
and all.
will also.
Once after having, sorry.
No, I am telling you. Tomorrow I will release a YouTube video on my channel. Okay, you see in the recent batch 10, I have taken a mock interview. You will see the mock interview tomorrow. You see the pattern, how I take the mock interviews, how I help the people, give the one-to-one feedback. You see in that video. Okay, that will be a session. You can see here after this video, one video will be released at 7:30 p.m. tomorrow. Okay,
Sure,
so
sure.
you see that.
I'll be waiting for it.
Sure, sure. Thanks.
And how many mock interviews you will conduct?
As much as you want. If you want that mock interview to complete, you give your name in the batch level. Like I will ask the names. People will fill their names and attach their resumes, and we will conduct the mock.
Yeah, this is actually good. Because we have only one interview, we'll be in dilemma. We don't know what we are going to answer.
No, like that, it will not be there. Okay. If you are interested, you give your name. We will complete your interview. No issue. Okay. Okay. Thank you. I want automation class with Shell Yama. Yes, we are going to do that. Prajakta, we are
Good evening, sir.
Hey, hi.
Excuse me. Hello, sir. I'm Abhishek, sir, and from HandsOn College. Sir,
Yes.
first of all, I was speaking about myself. I was your student only from batch 7, and I wanted to talk to you personally regarding about the course. And now I got the opportunity because
You are from
in
batch
batch
7?
yes, sir. I was last year. I took that course. Last year I took your course, sir.
You never talked to
Actually.
me, but
Yes, sir, because you were talking with the experienced people. And then I understood, sir. I understood because
you are.
they wanted
Okay.
job.
I will ask you one more question. So you never put a message that you are from my college only, correct?
Sir,
Yes or no?
I used
Tell
to
me
put,
yes or no.
sir.
Tell me yes or no first.
Sir, I used to put, sir, in
No, I
YouTube
never
videos
saw.
also.
I
Yes, sir,
saw
yes, sir.
now. I saw now you posted 5 times. Okay, I saw. I took your name and I
Today
clicked.
you'll see, but I am a subscriber of a YouTube channel in Telugu because నాకు తెలుగు కూడా మాట్లాడతాను నేను తెలుగు వాడిని
Correct.
నేను I subscribe to both of the YouTube channels. One is your English and one is Telugu.
Correct.
And I used to put always it was me who used to put from Minds College. So coming to the point, sir,
Yes.
sir నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడతాను
Okay, go ahead.
ఎందుకంటే
No issues.
సార్ నేను సార్ నా 7.0 ఇప్పటికీ కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది సార్ ఐ వాస్ కంటిన్యూయింగ్ మై 7.0 బ్యాచ్ ఐ వాస్ వాచింగ్ దోస్ వీడియోస్ అండ్ లెర్నింగ్ స్టఫ్ మీరు చెప్పేవన్నీ నేను నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను. నా గోల్ ఏంటంటే సార్, నా క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే సార్, ఈ 7.0 యూజ్ చేసిన అంటే 7.0 నేను కోర్స్ పర్సూ చేసిన తర్వాత అట్లీస్ట్ నాకు, ఎందుకంటే నేను ఇప్పుడు థర్డ్ ఇయర్ లో ఉంటున్నాను సార్. And after right now I'm doing my 3-2 semester, and after that I have to do my summer internship, which
Okay,
is mandatory.
you got summer internship or you are yet to get?
I want to apply off-campus internship, sir. I didn't get. I want to apply off-campus.
Okay.
So that because I wanted to work in real-time projects with your course, with the batch 7.0. Is that okay, sir? Is that
Yes.
అంటే సాధ్యమేనా సార్? అంటే
I
సాధ్యమని కాదు.
No, I got your question, brother. But see, you are in 3-2. Why you have not done that yet? Batch 7 completed long back.
ఎస్ సార్ 2 years. అవును సార్, ఎందుకంటే కాలేజ్ వర్క్స్ అని వీటి వల్ల కొంచెం టైం బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసుకోవడం ఇష్యూస్ అయ్యాయి. కానీ ఇప్పుడైతే నేను నా
I'm
టైం
telling
నేను
you,
కేటాయించుకుని
see, I'm very much frank with
సార్.
you.
మీ
See, our
వాయిస్
college brings best placements, okay? And you are already in 3-2. Okay. Our college brings best placements, correct? And able to hear me?
సార్ నౌ సార్ ఇందాక కొంచెం previously it was like your voice is breaking down,
Okay.
but now it is quite audible, sir.
Okay. So let me tell you. So see, in 3-2, our college brings best placements. So what you do is complete at least first 5 projects from batch 7. Keep that in your resume, okay? And attend
sir.
for the on-campus placements, whichever the college people brings, right? Infosys, Verizon, I think Mu Sigma, Deloitte, Amazon, all those are coming to our college. First,
Yes, sir.
crack at least one company, complete 5 projects. You keep a target. Without target, it's very difficult. Keep target like today is like 2nd March. In next 10 days, I will complete the first 5 projects. Keep that target. And maybe after March 15, you create your resume with that project. And by the time you enter into your campus selection criteria, it will be very, very good. I am giving you that assurance. Okay.
సార్ అంటే రైట్ నౌ అంటే నాకు జాబ్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ పెద్దగా నీడ్లెస్ అనిపించట్లేదు సార్. ఎందుకంటే ఇంటర్న్షిప్ కావాలి సార్. ఎందుకంటే మాకు క్యాంపస్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ ఇప్పుడు మీ టైం చదువుకుంటున్నప్పుడు దట్ టైమ్ ఇట్ వాస్ 3-2. నౌ ఇట్ హస్ బికమ్ 4-1. అండ్ అంటే నాకు జాబ్ చేసి అంటే నాకు ఇంటర్న్షిప్ కావాలి సార్. జస్ట్ నా బికాస్ అంటే పుట్ ఆన్ మై అంటే నా వర్క్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ యాడ్ చేసుకోవడం కోసం నేను ఇది అడుగుతున్నాను. ఐ జస్ట్ వాంట్ టు పుట్ మై వర్క్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్.
Okay.
I think you got my point.
What you want me to do?
Sir, actually, I just want to pursue my 7.0 course along with this free course, and I wanted to build my own resume with the help of your videos, and I wanted to place in off-campus internships on LinkedIn or some other platforms. So is it ante the okay na sir? Ante
okay, that's what I'm saying. See, internship aithe what is the difference between internship and getting a job? Both are same only. You are just differentiating that I need an internship. I am telling you crack a job. You crack, or else you apply for both. Whatever comes first, you take that. Very simple. Sir. That's what, if I am in your position, I will do that. I will apply for internship, I will apply for job. If I am getting selected off campus, on campus, anything, I am happy. I will go with that. Simple. Okay? Do that.
So 7.0 continue chesi pursue chesina, there will be no problem for getting internship jobs. Okay.
Yes, that's
what I wanted to ask you, sir.
You can get it. And in the chat also, people are telling, if campus is giving you placements, okay, you can apply for that. And if you are getting internship, go with that. So all are telling same. You can do both.
Sir, yes, sir.
Whichever you get crack, you can do that. Okay.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, ante మీ course, ante మీరు one more thing regarding your course, you start from basics, no sir? అంటే మీరు అంటే నేను ఎక్కడ ఆగానంటే మీరు AWS చెప్తున్నారు కదా సార్. అంటే మీ ఫస్ట్ లో అక్కడ వరకు నేను బాగానే చేశాను సార్. అంటే ఐ అండర్స్టూడ్ సమ్ వాట్. అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ అక్కడంటే ప్రాబ్లం ఎక్కడ వచ్చిందంటే సార్, మీ Ansible, Terraform చెప్తున్నప్పుడు కొంచెం ఐ వాజ్ లిటిల్ బిట్ స్ట్రక్.
Okay, so that's why I told you, you do first 5 projects only. Don't do everything. Keep it in resume and apply for job first. Do that.
Yes, sir.
You will get experience like how interview. If you're getting one call also, you will come to know like, okay, this is how the people are expecting. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
you. So that was from my college. Okay, so I have to take that. Great. So great, guys. So I see that last 6 seats are left. Okay. Once you enroll, you can let me know your name and we can take the attendance. Okay. Anyone who is interested to enroll, give your name now. Okay. Anyone who is interested to enroll, last 6 seats left with last 10 offer. Okay. So anyone who is enrolling now, 6 seats. Yes, you can do coding, Reshma. I will teach you. Okay. Kishan. Okay. Kishan 1. Okay. People on YouTube. Okay. Samiran. Okay. Good name, by the way. Shailesh, Samiran, Sriram. Okay. Kishan. Okay. Go ahead, guys. I'm waiting for you guys to get completed. Okay. I will give you access to talk also. 3 months, 2 to 3 months, Girvani. Okay. I have 3.5 years of manual testing experience. How will batch 11 will be helpful for me to change the domain? For 3.5 years of experience, we will divide your experience into 1.5 and 2. 2 years into DevOps, 1.5 years into testing. And you can change your role to senior DevOps engineer. Not able to make the payment, it's getting failed. Try with Mohan Rao, try with UPI or any other card if you are facing issue. Okay. Hi, sir. I joined like 10 minutes back late. How many weeks this course will be? 2 months, 2+ months. Okay. Okay. Adimola, like an estimated time, it will be like till May. Okay. March, April, May. Venkatesh, you can ask your query. Yes, I will unmute you guys, but let me complete the queries on the chat. Heavy queries are coming and I'm not seeing on YouTube also. So sweet that you are handling people, Anna. Thanks a lot. Take attendance, bro. I'll take in a little bit of time. Docker concept in next week. Okay, next week we are covering Docker, Jenkins, all the important tools as a combination, integration of tools we will do. Okay, I'm an SQL Azure DBA. Okay, first you enroll, guys. Last 6 seats left with batch 10. Okay, and then we will discuss few things. Okay. Okay, some questions I will take. I have an experience. I need to uplift my career in DevOps and salary. Okay, sure, Shailesh. I got it. You will be getting help. Raisa is asking, hi, sir. I have 7 months experience and I had 2-year gap. Okay, 2 years gap, Raisa, and 7 months experience. It's very difficult. Okay. Coding is required, brother. It's starting in March 3rd week. The dates and the prerequisites and the Zoom sessions will be rolled out soon. Okay. EMI option is there, brother. Inner Compass. Okay. Docker. Yes, brother. What are you telling? Without Docker, how we will learn? If you see here, batch 11. Okay. Not only that, you are going to get DevOps labs. Okay. So whatever the coding you want to do, Python, let's say you want to do in Python. Okay, you do this in your website only, in our website only. Okay, home DevOps lab. Okay, anyone experienced candidate, would you like to come on Zoom and share how the current job market is? Sai, you want to talk about something? Anyone experienced candidate who want to share your recent interview experience? Anyone? Okay, I will give you, but can you come on video? Anyone who can come on video, because people will see and people will understand things. You have to talk. I will be keeping silent because for last 2.5 hours I'm talking. Yeah, Vignan. Okay, I'm giving you access. You can talk. Okay, you can just share your interview experience, what people are expecting from you. Okay. Yes, Gopichan, I'm giving you access also. Yes, go ahead, guys. You both are on screen right now. Okay, where are you guys? Okay, go ahead.
Actually, I have some cam issue. So,
okay,
okay.
Go ahead.
So, actually, I'm working in IT industry. So, from last 8 years. Okay. So, first of all, welcome to all who is the freshers or who continues their studying in their PGs or MSs.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, what I experienced, actually, I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in 2015. Okay. So that day we don't have this much of social platforms to learn the things. Maybe there, but after COVID, we have some lot of platforms to learn the IT technology, whatever non-IT technologies.
Correct.
Okay. So currently, I'm working as one of the ECM tool administrator. Okay. So after COVID, so many ECM tools are developed to the CRM tools, other online BPM tools. Okay. The legacy systems are to be scratched or duplicated to in the infrastructures like companies. Okay. So when I just last 10 days, I attended the interview. So they're asking me the new technologies.
What
IT
are
industry.
the technologies that people are asking?
When I apply the DevOps, so they're asking you have the Docker infra and Kubernetes infra tools. Previously, when we in the last 2 years before COVID, they're asking only one set of skills, so that is enough for the companies. So nowadays they're asking multiple set of skills to be handled the infra. Company, the ideology and the thinking of the company is totally changed.
That's true.
Okay, because they want to handle the multiple tools, we can say, or multiple environments by single resources, limited people. Okay.
Very well said. Correct.
Right.
Correct.
Okay, because they are calculating the time and effort and obviously project money as well. This is the main portion. So compared to the other tools like CRM, BPM, and the HR related medical infrastructure tools are be there in the coming to the medical. So we can say DevOps is the master in the cloud. Okay.
Correct.
Previously, we don't have any cloud DevOps because that is in the initial stage. After COVID, cloud DevOps in the higher master in the IT industry. Okay.
Correct. Correct.
So every industry coming to the cloud after COVID. Okay, because they want to make their optimize their businesses and the management to the easy infra level. If anyone learn the DevOps, they can understand entire IT infra. Okay. Even you are interested to learn, even you want to get a job, even you want to get internship, if you want to practicing, if you want to do just as a skill up, or if you want to add the skill, one more skill in your resume, there are multiple ways you the people in the DevOps.
Correct.
Okay. So experiences know the things, but who are the freshers who are studying now? So DevOps is a very good platform. Even you get a job, that is secondary. First, learn the DevOps or cloud DevOps in your pocket. Okay, something in your market, that is your money. Always you think, if you have anything in your pocket that is you think as a money, that will useful to you or to others.
Correct.
Okay, this is my suggestion.
Great. I think that's good suggestion. And I am really surprised to see that companies nowadays are doing like 1% you do everything. Correct. So they are expecting much things from a user right now, and difficulty.
Right.
Very high.
Right. In coming to we can see these set of things in the finance sectors, not in the like general product based companies. Product based companies have the each and every activities in each department. Okay.
Correct.
These things will happen in the service based companies. Okay.
Correct.
So I am suggest to one more thing to these guys who are going to these new companies. Try to choose the product based companies. Try to choose product based companies, because if you acquire your career to once in service based companies, there is a big change to the other product companies. Okay. So there are two ways. Every can has a two faces, right? So IT has a two faces, product and service based companies. If you have any references, if you are purchasing your career to the new career, that should be the product based companies. If you once you go to product based companies, you have a one master in the industry. Okay. You know if you go the product based companies, you can analyze after 5 years or 10 years of experience, you are in the top of the infra. Okay.
Correct. And the work culture will also be good. So Vignan, thanks a lot for sharing your insights. I think very valuable share. And I want people to understand from whatever you have said, all those things, right? It's true. Thanks a lot for your time, right?
Thank you. Thank you, Gilchans.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So anyone else who can come on video and share your recent interview experience? Anyone? Anyone? I want you to come on video so that people interaction is good, right? And people can understand.
Actually, I want one more question. So you
Yeah.
in your syllabus you add.
Tell. Hello. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Shailesh. Okay. Let's give Shailesh. Shailesh, I'm giving you the access. You need to come on video. Okay. So we want people to understand how the current market situation is from your words, like from the students, right? Okay. Last 5 seats left, guys. Okay. I'm again coming to tell you that batch 11, last 5 seats. If anyone is interested, yes, you all can come on video. Okay. So we want Shailesh, people to turn on your video and people can enroll meanwhile. So turn on your video. I'm giving you access to turn on your video. Where are okay. Okay, go ahead. I think you have access already. Turn on your video.
Yeah. Currently, I'm.
Hey, your video, I'm not able to.
1 second.
Yeah. Okay, great. Go ahead. Yes.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Yeah. So I have enrolled the course, and according to the sector of IT, it's gradually increasing day by day, right? So as I'm playing a PM role into my company, and also I take interviews of DevOps. So what I observed, they have a knowledge, right? But due to the increase of the technologies like Kubernetes as well as Ansibles, right? And majorly the guys knows about AWS as well. But majorly what industry standards are looking to have in-house servers as well. I also have in our company. So that's why to increase the technologies as well as to the software. So guys needs to be understand that majorly the people knows only about AWS. So moving forward, the Kubernetes as well as Azure and GCP. These are the tools we need to be onboarded. What I understand. Yeah.
Okay. And can you, like, if you are giving any interviews right now, can you tell any pattern, any previous experience, what people are expecting right now for freshers? You want to tell anything?
So majorly the companies are looking for Azure and Kubernetes. And the questions which they ask related to the Kubernetes, if the freshers they are taking onto the board, they majorly look onto the commands of the Linux as well as Docker. Majorly they are looking for the Docker if the guys are coming to the onboard as a fresher.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's the thing, and the major role is related to the Docker and Linux only.
Okay, great.
For the freshers.
Great. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for your time, Shailesh, and nice talking to you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Anyone else who wants to talk about anything you want to discuss on video, right? Any fresher? Okay, Gopichand is a fresher. So let's talk with Gopichand and then we can see. Okay, Gopichand, I'm giving you access, Gopichand. Yes, go ahead, Gopichand. Okay, Gopichand, you have the access to start the video also. Yes. Okay, guys, 4 slots left. Let's complete this and okay, Gopichand, your video is you have given
enable camera access.
Yes, you have the camera access. Yes. Ask to start. Yes.
Start my video. Wait 1 minute.
Sure.
Now it is visible.
Yes. Okay. How are you?
Yeah, fine, Praveen.
Okay, good.
Currently,
so you are staying in hostel? Fresher?
No, PG.
Okay.
I'm staying in
Fresher?
final year student, pre-final year.
Oh, you are a pre-final year. Okay, go ahead. Oh, what happened? Your network is gone?
I'm currently in my last semester.
Oh, okay.
I'm
You are.
currently in my last
Okay, okay.
I have given 2 to 3 interviews in the companies. In one of the company, I got selected, but they have asked for 3 years of contract
Okay.
in DevOps. They asked me to do machine learning by major. My major is machine learning and my minor is DevOps. From the second year onwards, I'm learning both the technologies.
Okay.
But they asked me for the 3 years of contract, so I didn't find that that is not correct. So I rejected the offer in the
And how much package they give, if I may ask, for a fresher?
for the college. It came for the 8.5 LPA, but in when I go to the company and we with the head of the company, I talked to the head of the company with 1.5 hour. The meeting is happened. He negotiated me to 6 lakhs.
Why? Why like that? They
I
gave
asked,
5 and
yeah, in the interview after completion of all the process, I assumed that it is 8.5 LPA, so I can be able to contract the sign for 3 years.
yes, yes.
But after completion of all the things, he said 6 lakhs.
Okay.
It is in the Gurugram. I not to mention the
No, no,
company name, but
don't mention. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, Gurugram company. I am from the Andhra Pradesh, Nandikama, my in the Krishna district.
Okay.
So again, I'm in the Punjab. I'm in Lowly Professional University. So
Okay.
again, staying 3 years in the north and family managing. So I didn't want to here currently in the. I don't want to be here. So that's why I'm looking for the south companies, south states, any companies. So I think it is not possible. It is not correct to opt for that company. So I rejected it and I came back to the university.
Okay.
I have the opportunity in the one more company I have given, but due to the circumstance, because people will, the meetings in campus, we because the list will happen. They list the people with the time constraints. So if they get the correct people in that list, they did not interview properly. They will reject it without taking the interview also, because on
Oh,
campus if they get the correct people in the first 2 people, they will take those 2 people. Remaining it will be rejected. It will be get
oh.
rejected.
Okay, so it's good that you have not joined because what they told they have to give, right? If they are doing here wrong, what will happen if you stay
Yes,
3 years and they don't do anything for you? That's a little bit risky. I thought like
yes,
you lose
yeah.
8.5, but I think your decision is proper and correct. And keep looking for jobs. So can you tell me like what people are expecting right now for a fresher interviews?
I have given 3 interviews. Genuinely, in 2 interviews was happened. 2 rounds was over, but I have got selected in those companies also. But due to the people they want to hire is minimum, so they have a certifications for one of my friend has certifications, so he got selected in that company. I got rejected. We both cleared the interviews and all.
Okay, so certification means what certification he had?
AWS certification
Oh,
and architect AWS architect certification. He has 2 certifications he had.
okay, okay, okay,
So
okay,
is in that company.
okay, okay.
The interview was happened on basic Linux commands, Docker,
Mm-mm.
how to write the Docker file, and differences between entry point and CMD, and
Understood.
basic Kubernetes questions,
Hmm.
basic AWS questions. Because in a fresher, they are expecting all basic fundamental things from all the tools. So what we mention in the resume, they will ask from the resume only, and,
So
and
how
clear
was
explanation
today's
of the
class?
project.
How was today's class? Do you think that you learned so many good things
Yeah,
yesterday?
I am brushing up my skills. What you thought as I was learning from you from the third year onwards.
Oh,
From my
okay.
second third year onwards, I was going on you. Uh,
Okay.
I got selected in one of Capgemini company also, but it is currently training is going on.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
it is a 4.25 package for the freshers. It will take and multiple students from all across the India,
Correct.
across all the states. So
Correct.
currently training is happening, but I was not want to go. But as a fresher, we want parents will say
One job.
you have to go Punjab. So
One job.
currently, I was in that job only. But
Okay.
if any job company is hiring, I want to go to the as a DevOps engineer, as a cloud engineer. I want to go it, but I
Good,
am
good,
actively looking for the job opportunities.
good, good. I think your speech or your talk is very good for all the freshers. And thanks a lot. Keep looking for job. You will definitely get good hike. Okay, good job.
Jobs are there, but they are asking for the experience. How
Correct,
freshers will get the
correct.
experience? I've applied I've applying for all the platforms, but minimum 2 years experience asking. But I'm giving the I have 1 year experience like that. As a fresher, I'm keeping the and I'm submitting the applications, but I'm getting unfortunately.
Okay, okay, okay. That's
All
fine.
that.
That's fine. Keep looking. Complete the cab Gemini. Don't leave, huh? It's my
Yeah,
suggestion.
I am not leaving,
Don't
not
leave.
leaving.
And parents are also right. As of now, situation is not good. Na? Complete the cab Gemini training. And meanwhile, if you get
Yeah.
one good company offer where no cheating is there, you are looking good, you are 100% sure, then you go. Or else don't leave
Yeah,
that.
same. I was also looking for that. If any college side also, if any better opportunity come, they are also saying that you can leave the Capgemini and you can go for the
Yes.
new
Yes.
job only.
Yes.
But
Thanks
I
a
am
lot.
searching
Thank
for
you.
that. Yeah, thanks,
Thanks a
Praveen.
lot.
I have a question.
Yes. Good, good.
Due to the training and all 9 to 5 having the classes in the Capgemini classes.
Okay.
So it is on weekends or but I have to manage both the things. That's why I'm not enrolled for the batch 11.
Correct.
But I want to
Understood.
enroll. Is the how at what timing it will happen and all?
Actually, Saturday and Sunday, it's from 9 to 12, close to 3 hours. Okay, 2.5 to 3 hours.
Yeah.
So Saturday and Sunday, if you don't have training, you can take this. But if Capgemini training is there, that attendance is important, right? Their attendance is important.
Yes.
You need to do that.
Saturday I have class. Sunday is not there. Saturday is there.
Right. So Saturday class is there. So
So that's
because
why
batch 11 recordings will be there. So one class, if you miss, you can watch recordings, documents, everything will be downloadable and everything will be there. So check, think once, and if you are okay, you can take that. No issues.
Yeah, recordings will be there, but we don't
Correct.
want recordings. It will be in the phones and all. If it is in the live only, we will listen carefully and learn
Correct.
something.
That's
I personally believe that.
I also feel that. I also believe in that. Live sessions are interactive. So thanks a lot, Gopi. You decide and you can take. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, great. So guys, we are done with the class. Okay. I'm just, I have already taken all your attendance at 8:30 p.m. only. So sorry, I think few people are there like to waited. So those who have done with the things, you can drop off. Those who have queries with respect to batch 11, you can stay. We will continue for another 10 minutes. Okay. Any questions with respect to batch 11, you can ask me. And last two slots left. We will wind up the session. Okay, okay. Suresh, as of now, we are not sure. Okay. It's already done. Macha Arvind, you can drop, no issues. Have a query, Ramnath? Yes. Shravanti, thank you. Thank you, sir. When is the batch? Okay. Timings 9 a.m. to 11:30. 11:30 to 2. Yes, Panjot Bhattacharya visible. Batch 11 is weekend. Yes, weekend class. Great class, great information on Linux. You are doing a great job. Thanks, Adimola. And guys, again, I am telling, once the class is completed, once the live session is ended, the documents will be uploaded in the portal, and you guys can also post on LinkedIn. Okay, you show your love, and you can also tag me on Instagram, so you can see here. These are yesterday's recordings I have taken. Okay, and people have tagged me. You can see here, right? And whatever the small things are there, I always post on Instagram for quick connect. You can connect with me definitely on Instagram also. Yeah. Okay, so great. So any questions? It was good class. Okay, it was good class. Thank you. How can we show experience for freshers? No experience for freshers. Sure. Okay. So those who are enrolling, you can stay. Rest all you can drop off. Okay. Those who have questions, you can put in the chat. I'm going to share you some details. Okay. Batch 11, those who have enrolled, you have to wait for some time. Prerequisites, documents, videos will be attached and live sessions will be rolled out. Okay. Yes, Akhil, I have 5 years of experience, practicality in networking, but educationally not qualified. How to get into MNC? 5 years you have experience, you can come into DevOps. IST, Sudarshan, it's an IST. Okay. 9 a.m. IST. Attendance is done, Prasad. Already I have told you. Okay. Right. So guys, any questions? Any questions? I'm waiting for 2 more people to come with me. If you have any questions, you can let me know. Okay. Vishwa Venkateshwara. Okay. Any questions? Okay. I have some questions. Please allow me to speak, sir. Nanduri, already time is completed, but we will talk in the next week when the classes are there. How do you feel after conference out 8 times SSB? It feels very bad. Okay. So my always dream was to join maybe Indian Navy. Okay. So I always apply here on the government portal, and I always wanted to see myself like this wearing uniform. Okay. But yeah, it always people say, right? So God has some other plans. Okay. So like this. Okay. Okay. Suresh has shared his LinkedIn ID. Let's see. Okay. DevOps class day 2. Good. Okay. Okay, Suresh. You have any queries? Okay. Why you are not sending me connect request? Okay. I was about to accept. What is this document? Oh, you created document also. Good, man. Just now along with class. Great, man. Great. Awesome. Awesome. I think your efforts are really good. Kudos to you. Okay. Kudos to you. Really great. Yes, Rajan, I am able to see your message. Okay, guys, I'm done for the day. If you have any questions, any queries, feel free to message us. Okay. Or you can reach out via email. Okay. Panjot Bhattacharya, sorry if I missed your message, but still 2 people can enroll 2 people. And once you enroll, you will see that 2 slots are completed. You will see that the coupon code is changed again. Okay. The coupon code is expired again. Okay. So it's up to you. You guys want to opt with me, you can come with me. Okay. If you are not interested, it's up to you. Okay. Thanks a lot for taking up this opportunity with me. See you all in the next class. If you want to know what is the next class all about, I'll just show you that also. Just see the syllabus here. Not here, sorry. Here you can download the syllabus. The next week we are going to cover CI/CD, Argo CD, Maven, JFrog, Ansible, Docker, Git, GitHub, DevOps tools, Prometheus, Grafana, a little bit on the monitoring, SRE, and DevOps we are going to cover on week 2. Okay, so you can also share the screenshot with your friends that we are going to learn week 2. Okay, and help others also to grow. Okay, so thanks a lot for taking up this time. I'm still waiting for 2 more enrollments. You can come with me in batch 11. Okay, right. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye. Bye all. Okay. On YouTube also, thanks a lot for your time. Okay. It was really nice speaking to you all. And batch 11 is going to start soon. You can share it with your friends. You can refer with your friend. You can ask your friends to join. And for the next week classes, same place, you will be able to find the classes. Okay. Anyone is still enrolling? Yes. I tried to enroll for one-to-one with the course, but it was not. Okay, Ranjan, what you do? You email us DevOps@gmail. Okay, one-to-one is only with the batch, guys. Okay, you cannot take outside. Okay, so if you have not opted for one-to-one, you cannot take again. Okay, right. Thanks a lot. Please take care and refer your friends for combined batch studies. Okay, for combined batch studies, you can refer. And thanks a lot for your time. Okay, right. So yesterday's prize is not today's prize. Today's prize will not be tomorrow's prize. That's what I have told you. Yesterday also I have told you that whatever you are seeing this coupon, yesterday was early bird. Early bird is completed. Okay. And whatever you are seeing now, today also the price will be changed after 2 seats. Okay. Yesterday you saw there is an early bird. Today you saw coupon code new one. And tomorrow, once the 2 slots are done, again a new coupon code will be applicable. Okay. So always work, study, and see you all in the next class. Okay. You all can subscribe to the channel and share the link with your friends. Tomorrow, 7:30 p.m. DevOps interview video will come. You can watch and you can see what are the loop interview is. In 2025, a loop interview pattern is being followed. You can check that tomorrow. Okay. Bye-bye. See you all. See you all. Bye. Next class will be on 8th. Okay. Next class will be on 8th. But in YouTube, you will get all the documents, videos and all. You can follow that. Okay. See you all.